If you're a beginner and you're looking for simple vocal exercises that you can do to warm up your voice, you're in the right place, because today I'm going to guide you through 3 simple vocal exercises that you can do anytime to warm up your voice. Don't panic. These vocal exercises are easy, gentle, and great to warm up your voice. No experience needed, just follow along and have fun. Let's get started. Let's begin with the first exercise, humming. The first exercise will help you with your resonance, your vocal placement. Take a deep breath and make a gentle sound. Very gentle. Nice. As you do the humming, you should feel a little vibration in the front of your lips and nose. Let's do it one more time. Place your hand on your lips and feel the vibration. Great. We're going to start in chest voice. And we slide from one note to another. We slide. Very nice. Don't worry, I'm right here with you. Keep the sound relaxed. So now we're feeling the sound here and here. Let's try it one more time. Good job. You're doing amazing. Let's move on to the next exercise. Lip trills. This vocal exercise is designed to make your voice more flexible, so you can sing from low notes to high notes without pushing. First, let me show you the lip trill exercise. The purpose of the exercise is to be able to control your breath, your airflow. Start without the voice, like this. Inhale. Inhale. As you exhale, lip trill. Inhale. Exhale. Then add a sound. Inhale. Exhale. Very nice. Let's practice together. Great. Nice work. You're doing great. Well done. One more. The last exercise is vocal slides. Today, let's focus on oo and e vowel. Try it. Slide. Nice work. Same note, but we're going to sing E. Your turn. Slide. Nice work. Follow along. Great job. Now let's sing E. You try. Stay focused. You can do this. Nice work. Repeat after me. Repeat after me. Nice work. E, same note. Let's go. Nice job. One more, and that's it. Your turn. Slide. Come back. Nice. E. Last time. Woo! Yes! You did it! I'm wondering, which of these 3 vocal exercises, humming, lip trills, vocal slides, is your favorite and why? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to favorite this video so you can come back and practice with me this week. If you want to continue with another vocal warm-up for beginner, click on this video. Otherwise, see you next time. Bye-bye!